Do you remember your first tie? Maybe it was for school with your father's hands guiding yours. Or perhaps it was for that nerve-wracking job interview. Your palms were clammy, but your tie, it held steadfast. Ties, they're not just fabric. They're milestones. They're memories. They're moments. They're your first steps into adulthood, your first taste of responsibility. And each knot, each twist and turn holds a story. From the simplest knot to the most elaborate, every knot tells a story. Start with something simple, like life's first steps. The simple knot, not too fussy or complicated, is a go-to for everyday confidence. To create this classic, just loop, swoop, and pull. It's as easy as tying your shoelaces. It's about feeling comfortable, at ease, and ready to face the world. Whether you're heading to work, school, or just out and about, this knot has you covered. It's the everyday knot for the everyday hero. Quick, easy, and perfect for any day you want to look your best. It's slightly imperfect, like us all, but charming. The four in hand, it's the knot of the go-getter. You start by crossing the wide end over the narrow one. Then you wrap the wide end around the narrow one, not once but twice, creating a band. Slip the wide end through the band, and there you have it. It's the knot that says, I'm here and I'm ready. Ideal for first dates, first jobs, or just making an effort. When you've grown a little. There's a certain point in life where we all find our stride, our balance. That's where the half Windsor comes in. This knot is a symbol of the journey you've taken, the lessons you've learned, and the confidence you've acquired along the way. It's not too extravagant, not too simple, but just right, just like the balanced you. It's your silent statement to the world, a declaration of readiness, a knot that says, I'm ready for anything. This one is bold. It's the full Windsor knot, the knot of champions, of leaders, of those who dare to dream. It's not just a knot, it's a statement. It's your wedding day, standing at the altar, heart pounding with love. It's that dream job interview, stepping into the room, ready to craft your destiny. The full Windsor is for life's big days, when you're not just participating, but leading the charge, because some days demand your absolute best. Not everyone chooses the bow tie. It's a bit more complex to tie, a little more attention-grabbing, and it's not for the faint of heart. It's a statement piece, a conversation starter. It's for those who dare to be different, who aren't afraid to challenge the status quo. It's for those who aren't content with just fitting in, but instead choose to stand out. It's for those who choose to craft their own narrative, to be the author of their own life. But those who do, write their own story. One day, you'll teach someone else how to tie one. Maybe it's your son, a student, or your younger sibling. You'll guide their hands like someone once guided yours. Knot by knot, you'll not just pass a skill, but a legacy. A tradition that's been carried through generations. The ties you knot today will echo in their memories tomorrow. A simple act of tying a tie, now a cherished memory. And when you do, this video will be your memory too.